This is a progress update from videos I've been showing you on the geothermal system that I'm installing. And I'll show you where I've gotten so far. Last video I showed you some footers that I installed down below. And you can see this cinder blocks are 8 inches wide and this one's only 4 inches. That's because I poured a concrete slab, a 4-inch slab on the bottom of the mechanical room. Obviously used some material to separate the concrete from the cinder blocks. And I made this well here because I don't have the sewer line low enough to get positive drainage. So to have a floor drain, what I had to do is install this, and then I'll use this well to pump water up, out and over, and then down into a sewer line which goes across there. And so this is the mechanical room. This is where I've gotten so far. I have a hole in the wall right here where the bottom manifold will penetrate right through here. I just put a PVC pipe through the cinder block, and I'm going to run the, haven't obviously terminated it yet, but this pipe goes underground and collects all the return loops from every well that I have. Now obviously I need an upper manifold to pick up the top, and that too will come through the wall, probably more at this area here, for a couple feet higher than the liquid refrigerant. I want the hot gas refrigerant up here. And this is the cinder block wall. I'm using rebar vertically, which ties into the footer. And on this one I'm going to use rebar horizontally because I have a huge void between these two, and obviously most of the pressure is going to come right here. And then I'm filling them with concrete to make them extra strong. And you can see this will just be, so the way this is going to lay out is this area right here will be for a boiler, and that boiler will only be used if the geothermal system fails for some reason. This area right here will be my hot water heater, which will be indirect. It'll take heat from my geothermal or my boiler, and it'll exchange heat with the water. The foundation wall will go up and tie into this I-beam, which was way too long. The guy who built my house made this way too long. You can see it goes all the way across here underneath this duct, and it's a good 20-30 feet, so that's too long for an I-beam to support all the weight. This will be my ladder. I'll have a ladder with an opening somewhere around here which will come down. This will be my geothermal for the hot water, which goes directly into the ground, direct exchange with all these copper tubes. And then right here in this area is going to be a forced air geothermal system, which will tie into the pressure side of my ducting. And then this is the return air, so it'll sit right here, and it'll also offer heating and cooling. And those pipes are going to be indirect exchange, so I'll have liquid going out, and I'm going to punch a hole through the wall, 2 holes obviously, through the foundation wall there, and then underground, and I'll dig holes in my yard. These holes here were dug inside the crawl space and go at a 45, so the holes out there I'll have to measure so I'm not hitting those, and those will be polypropylene. And you can just see this, I'm starting to backfill now, so all that dirt's coming back in as I collect all my copper. And once this is all set up, this wall will go a little higher than this, all the way across. Then all this will be backfilled, and then I don't have to worry about my house caving in. So that's where this place is. And I'll show you here in the basement. Now this basement is obviously a wreck. I'm doing construction right now. It used to be a theater room, but I had to run all the in-floor pipes through the ducting, so I had to punch holes into that. And so this place is right now under construction. And so let's see, you can see how that used to be. This is the basement area. This used to be my gym. It has you know, the sponge flooring. That flooring I'm actually going to continue when I get done putting all my cinder blocks in. I'll continue that. You can see all my workout equipment, and it's obviously a mess right now. This is going to continue throughout underneath the pool table, and pretty much right up to the tile. So this area, I'll show you what I did here. I made a sauna because it was basically just an area that was underneath the stairwell. It had no purpose. So I thought it'd be a neat area to put a little radiant sauna, and it actually gets pretty warm in here. We've tried it. I still got storage behind this. And just did cedar wood here. A little light under the bench. And this was built, I put this in before, so that's why it's kind of halfway between this construction and the last. Granite sink, copper sink, granite countertop, and then refrigerator. This is a serving bar, a few overhead lights. And here we got this area here, this basement is going to be heated with baseboard radiant. I've got to run baseboard radiant here because it wasn't feasible to go in floor, and this is the only bedroom down here. You can see the baseboard radiant heater. This one I got finished. Put a little few LED cans in there. I got made a closet in here. The only thing I have to do here is install the carpet, and this is just knotty alder. Changing everything out in the house to knotty alder. They just have to put in the carpet, and then this will be done. So let's go upstairs. I'll show you the finished areas, and then like one area here. This was the bathroom that I made. Just regular tile, nothing special here. Just put in the sink, and the sump pump for this bathroom is underneath the stairwell, and that'll be a separate one. I think I showed it to you at the back of this sauna. And that will be that's a sump pump that was installed by the contractor here. So let's go up to the area that's finished. And right here we did flagstone in the entryway. This is all in-floor radiant now. It used to be just this. What I've been doing is laying pipe. You can see where an area where the concrete chipped away. That's just the Wurzbo Heapex going through the entire floor. Goes under all the flagstone, and then the wood tile meets with that. And then let's go and show you where I finished this. Just kind of a nice transition to this tile. And this is all in-floor radiant. The way I did this is instead of using clips to hold the glass, I actually recessed the glass into the tile. Did his and hers through one of the glass panels. You can see, so I got rain showers, body massagers. This is the steam room, or it can be a steam room. It's got a steamer which is mounted in the soffit right here. That's the access panel to it. And then we got a jetted tub, couple sinks, granite countertop there. You want to be in this video more? And that's just that. And this is my wife's closet. What I installed here is a laundry center with dryer vent. That way, right here, we can stack a washer dryer unit. She's using her clothes right now in that area, but this whole thing from here up is going to be the laundry center, stackable. And you can see she's got plenty of room. She doesn't need that. And probably 12 foot of clothes rod here, and another 8 foot here, top 8 foot. So she's got enough room. Mine, of course, is a lot smaller. You got probably a little spider hole here for a closet. You can still walk into it, but not nearly as big. Changed out the master bedroom doors to double doors. Gives me a bigger entryway. And then this is the master bedroom. Got 3 windows there, master bed. This window I'm going to blow out and make a door, put a deck out there. This is a fireplace, nothing special here. But all this is in-floor radiant. I buried the pipes under this as well, so there's concrete under this floor. But you can tell that's my garden area. We live in the mountains, so we got a good view, so that's why I want to make a deck out there. And let's see what we got over here. Just kind of a fireplace area, just showing everything. And this will be the kitchen. This is going to be switched around. We're going to put a big island right here. Probably do something here. This whole area is going to be torn out, and that tile is going to continue on through here. And then we got just a hall bathroom for the house here, and coat closet here. This is all going to be knotty alder. Switch this out. This is the main laundry room. Do some work there, and then this goes to the garage. So we'll go upstairs. You can see I'm not adding a lot of weight. This is probably 3/4 of an inch. It is 3/4 of an inch of concrete over the pipes that I lay across the floor. And here the flagstone was so thick all I had to do was grind underneath it to put the pipes through there. And then this will be all glass. I'll show you what I got going on up here, how these two connect. The walkway between the bedrooms, I made that glass because it just kind of opened up the house. So let's go upstairs. And then up here, we're doing wood flooring. And the glass will obviously continue down here, railing, glass all the way down. And then, let's see, the walkway is just, there's no rails, but these are 1/2-inch glass panels, so they're not going to move. And then I'll do a railing cap across the top. Haven't done that yet. And then this is fairly finished. Got this is my office area. We got a bathroom here. Did kind of the granite tile. This isn't real granite. This is good. It's kind of a textured granite, and then we did it with full mirror. Changed out the tub. This got all redid the flooring with in-floor here. Went tile to the ceiling. What they gave us was fiberglass tubs when we moved in. I just thought that was pretty cheap. And then this is just a closet, a linen closet or bookcase. That's what we're using it for now. And then this bedroom also got the in-floor radiant heat here underneath the carpet. I installed a thermostat so we can do an individual control on every bedroom. This bedroom also has a walk-in closet, a couple clothes rods, 9-foot ceiling. This one had the higher. I installed that access panel to the attic. And let's see. Let's go over to the other bedroom. So you just obviously look across here. Just another linen closet. And then these door sweeps, pretty much the radiant heat starts where this wood flooring ends and just goes under the carpet. And then we also have ducting for the forced air system. This window is going to be blown out. It's going to be make that a deck, and then that will be the area that the deck covers this roof. This roof will obviously be lowered, and then that'll be a deck. Just basically bedroom. Bunch of windows. I guess you'd call this the guest bedroom because it has its own bathroom, its own private bath. I redid this with granite and wood tile flooring, and kind of a granite or marble look. Sorry, not granite. With up and down tiles going here to the ceiling on these, and steel tub. And that is a marble countertop, but the tiles in the tub are actually look like marble. They're actually real marble. And it just has a sliding slider for the closet. I installed this too because I had to run a bunch of electronics through the attic, so I installed a access panel there. Kind of a big closet. It's probably about 8-9 feet, and then I got a little desk area there, which I ran my electronics there. And then, like I said, that'll eventually be a door. My kid's got stickers everywhere here. And that's he's a wrestler, so he gets a lot of trophies. He doesn't want to be in the video. Okay.